To fix Windows 11 apps that open and then close immediately, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In Settings, click on Apps and then open Installed Apps. Now find the app that keeps opening and closing. Click the three dots next to the app and select Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see the Repair option and click on Repair. Wait for Windows to finish repairing the app. Once it's done, try opening the app again. If the app still closes immediately, go back to the same Advanced Options page. This time, click on Reset and then click Reset again to confirm. After resetting the app, restart your computer and check if the app opens normally. If you're still having the same problem, right-click on the Start button and select Run. In the Run box, type WSReset.exe and click OK. You may see a blank command prompt window on your screen. Don't close it. Just wait for it. The Microsoft Store should open automatically. Now restart your computer and try opening the affected app again. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave a comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page. See you in the next video.